Counting Sigfigs can be very tricky, and in order to finally get a grasp on it, I thought I would do a video so that you guys can just peek at it whenever you need help. Alright, so for the first thing to know about Sigfigs is that any number 1 through 9 is considered significant. Right? That seems pretty simple. However, there is the matter of zeros. 0 is the only number that can either be significant or not. Okay? So I'm going to show you a few scenarios where both 0 can be significant and not significant. Take this number here. This number 400, it may look like it has 3 sigfigs. 4, 0, and 0. However, the actual amount of significant figures is 1. These zeros are not significant because there is no decimal place. Alright. Now, if we were to take 400 and put a decimal place here, right, that now gives us 3 significant digits or figures. Right, it's this decimal place that makes these zeros significant. Another situation that you might see is that there are sometimes numbers that have, for example, 400, but have multiple zeros in the decimal place. Right? These digits, 4, 0, 0, 0, and the final 0, are all significant. Any zeros that are to the right of a significant digit that are in the decimal place are also significant. So for this 400.00, there are 5 significant digits. Now, a question might be, what about 4.00? There are no zeros before the decimal place, but there are some after. Well, it remains the same. These zeros still count, as does the 4, because 4 is a number 1 through 9. So these amount to 3 significant digits. Another situation for zeros where they are considered significant is in a situation like this. Here's 401. There is no decimal place, so it might seem like this 0 is not significant. Right. However, it is sandwiched in between 2 other significant digits. The rule is, if a 0 is sandwiched in between 2 significant digits, then this 0 also becomes significant. All right. So this ends up being 3 sigfigs. It also doesn't matter how many zeros are in between. Right? 40,001. These 3 zeros are still considered significant. So 40,001 would equal 5 sigfigs. The last situation deals with zeros in decimals, and what the difference is between 005 and 0.0050. Any zeros to the left of a significant digit in a decimal are not considered significant. So 0.005 equals 1 sigfig. While 0.0050 is a little different. Any number to the right of a significant figure in a decimal is considered significant. So this 0 and this 5 are both significant, but again, these zeros to the left of 5 are not significant, and therefore we have 2 sigfigs.